Welcome back. If you're new, please hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications. It's August the 14th of 2019. It's Red Wiggler Wednesday, and it's the moment we've all been waiting for. It's been 1 year and 2 weeks since we got started with the Worm Factory 360. Take a look in on this top tray. See what we got. This was at the bottom. Moved it up top, try to get some of the worms to migrate down, because it does not work as planned for the worms to migrate up completely. There's still a few in there, and I'm guessing they're still eating away at what's left. So check out this next tray. Off the bat, I can see it's kind of indented a little bit. We fed last week here in the middle, so that tells me they have definitely eaten some of the food. There's a few worms right on top there. I'm gonna dig down in, see what we got. Wow, I'm not seeing any food, and if I do recall, I put a pretty good amount in there, so they have already eaten that up in a week's time. It was blended, so that does help them eat it up faster and get it into smaller pieces. Breaks down a little quicker. Not really seeing a lot of worms. There's a few here and there, but not many. And there's some of the coffee filters and coffee grounds left over from a few weeks ago. I was definitely expecting more food. Yeah, let's move on to the bottom tray. There's one right on top. Quite a bit of shredded cardboard left. I don't know, just doesn't seem like there's many worms, but all that food is gone, so they're just kind of spread out. Not seeing too many worms. They're kind of spread out, all three trays. Not sure if I should add some back. I would think, I don't know. Let me know what you think. Should I add some more worms to the Worm Factory 360? We'll go ahead and take a look on our bin that we've just been, basically a holding bin. I can tell on top it's a little dry, but another ½ inch down, you can see where it's moist. I did put some watermelon in here 2 days ago. Oh yeah, look at there. Look at that worm ball. Lots of red wigglers. They like that watermelon. And if this is your first time watching one of my Red Wiggler videos, all of these did come out of the Worm Factory 360. Just been kind of letting them hang out in here. Smells good, smells earthy. Alright, let them eat that watermelon up. We'll move on to our castings bin. A little dry on top, but not too bad underneath. I did go ahead and put that bait cup in. There's a worm right. Let me go ahead and throw that over here. There's a worm right there. Put the bait cup in, try to get out any worms that might be left in here. I didn't think there was many, if any. But obviously there was one. Let's see what was in the bait cup. It was full. You can see it's probably about a quarter way gone. Oh yeah, look at that. Now how does that happen? See them two big Africans right there? That's ridiculous. They're everywhere. That's crazy. Two big African nightcrawlers in there. And several red wigglers. And there's another red wiggler. That was blended up potato peels and I think cucumber, if I remember right. That doesn't smell the greatest. Ding dang African night crawlers. Getting all my bins, I don't understand. I got those rinsed off. Those are both definitely African night crawlers. Now, for those of you that's watched this far, pretty sure I know where they came from. So right there is my castings bin. Well, I've got something I have not shown on video before. I've got some grow trays on a shelf I built. Keep them dated. Well, right here you can see I put these ANCs in on 7/15, so almost a month. Well, look, right below is the castings bin. So I'm guessing that's where these guys came from. So I'm going to put them back in here and hope they keep their butts in there. Alright. And we'll move on to our other bin that is pretty much all castings. I'm going to go ahead and put this cup over here for now. I did see a few worms right on the edge there. Oh yeah, several. I'm going to go ahead and snag them out of there. Quite a few. They were definitely attracted to the bait cup. Just going to pick them out. Good handful there. And I'm going to toss them into the holding bin I've got. Go ahead and dump this bait cup out. Oh yeah, that sucker's going to be full. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that. That is pretty much all worms. Gosh. So the bait cups are a great way to get worms out of a system. I know a lot of people do the horizontal migration. Look at that. That thing was full of worms. I mean, just plumb full. Sweet. Let's see what's left in here. Still see a few worms. Not many. This bin definitely needs some moisture. That could be another reason they went to the bait cup so easily, because it's a little dry. So I'm going to give this bin some moisture. Go ahead and do another bait cup. I'm going to go ahead and do another bait cup off camera. If you didn't see last week's video where I showed how I did the bait cups, click this video. If you want to see all my other past Red Wiggler videos, here's the playlist for that. Thanks for watching. Please hit that thumbs up for me. Leave me a comment. Until next time, have a great day.